Greetings, geeks. This is Rose with Geek to Me Crafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies as well as provide tutorials and DIYs. Today I have a very special upload for you. I will be going through my supply bag, organizing it, and in addition to that, I am collaborating with a friend that I met in a Facebook group, and her name is Analisa. I will link her video down below, and we will be cleaning up our messes. So make sure you like and subscribe to her and me. So Analisa has a YouTube video called Faith Dream Create, and we are so close to getting her to 1,000 subscribers, so that's very exciting. Make sure you click that description box and go check out her stuff as well. So right here, this is my kitchen table. It's just a little round 4-seat table with a marble top, and I have been using it as my craft supply station because we are at home a lot with our kids. During this weird pandemic time. We're teachers, and so I really want to craft. I really need to work at home, and I have to babysit. So this is the result of that. We have taken over the downstairs. I'm just doing a slow-mo here of the absolute mess that I have made with some of my new supplies, some stuff that I've had forever, but it's my new endeavor into junk journaling. I'm completely obsessed with it. Mixed media, art journaling, whatever you want to call it. I love it. However, it's created a mess in my kitchen. So now I need to clean it up, and Analisa is going to go with me. She is a homeschooler to her children, and she lives in Canada. So I live in Missouri in the United States, and I am a teacher full-time. So what I've been doing is creating signatures out of scrap pieces of paper, stuff that I've had, stuff that I am collecting from the mail, and I'm definitely not purchasing any paper at this time. So it's all over my table, all of my supplies as well. Not all of them. I actually have a whole room upstairs that I could be using, but I don't want my kids up here. It's not safe. I've got X-Acto knives and scissors and pins and you name it. So okay, so right here, I've got all these papers, all this supplies. I'm using textbook sheets from like textbooks that I rescued out of the trash can at school. It just breaks my heart to see those things. And this bag is really cool. I'm going to put the link down below for this bag too. This is called the Craft Bag, I believe, and it's from 31. It has all of this room in it. So it's got a divider that you can move in the inside. You can move it forward or back. And I have it just set right in the middle. So in the back of the bag, I'm going to put my signatures that are unfinished, plus any supplies in these awesome little baggies that I got from my friend who gave me the craft bag and the little baggies. So I'm just organizing all of the supplies into a way that makes sense. I've got all the stamps in one, all the scissors in one, all of the paints, all that kind of thing. At the end, make sure you stick around because I'm going to go through the whole bag in regular speed so that you can kind of see where I've got everything. So then I was left with all these papers that were not going to fit in the bag, and I already had created 2 boxes out of a cereal box and a toy box that my son had gotten for Christmas. I just made it into a file folder thing. I made a 3rd one out of Cheerios box and organized all the papers. A lot of them are coffee dyed. So here you can see textbook pages, cardstock, craft paper that I had purchased at Dollar Tree, book pages from old books, packaging, napkins. I plan on Mod Podging a lot of that stuff. Also, I've got a video coming about some more art journals, so make sure you stick around for that. That little plastic thing, I have a really cool idea for that, so I'm not going to give it away just yet. You'll have to make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And then back here, I got these tickets. Okay, here's the bag, the big reveal. On the side of the bag, I've got all these neat little pockets and things that I could be utilizing, but I'm not. And there's a mesh over here on the side as well. The spray bottle has like spray glitter paint in it. And then in the back here, those are the signatures. Very cute. I've also got some chipboard in there I plan on using for some future journals. And then on the right side back here, I've got stencils, any other card making supplies that need to fit in there. In all of these bags, I've got extra little tags. I have scissors, ribbon, my X-Acto knife, my paper clips, and then in the front flap, it snaps down or up, and there's a zipper in the front. I've got lace in there, and then in the front of the zipper, in the pouch part, I've got scissors, needles, paint, things that I don't want to get all over the paper in case it spills. So that's the craft bag. I absolutely love this thing because you can take it from, upstairs or downstairs. I can take it with me to places if I know I'm going to be somewhere for a while. I put my little Zoom call on the side and do a little crafting. It works for me. So I absolutely love it. Again, make sure you subscribe to me. Go check out Faith Dream Create by Analisa. I've got her link down below as well. And thank you so much.